So here at Patriots Point Flight Academy, we've been offering our summer flight academy for ages 11 through 14. We offer it to 20 kids at a time, from Monday through Friday. And each day we make the challenges a little bit harder and harder. Using our technology that we have in the flight academy, they can fly 5 airplanes together in a formation, and they get to create their own air show, just like the Blue Angels. It's not just about the flying. We have an amazing museum here, and they start out in the hangar bay and they get to see the airplanes that they're actually flying.
We discuss each of the airplanes on the hangar deck, the Corsair, the Dauntless, the Avenger, the Hellcat.
Once you touch this propeller.
They get to actually touch a Hellcat and a Corsair. They get to see what they're actually going to be flying.
So we'll take them on to the USS Laffey, up to the bridge. We take them to the Vietnam experience.
Start learning about helicopters, and working with Mount Pleasant Parks and Recs gives us an amazing educational opportunity to provide for these young youth.
We get them into the simulators pretty quick, just to get them accustomed to them. We start with just going over some of the basics of flight.
I didn't float at all.
Even if they have no experience, we walk them through how things work.
The joysticks that we have are out of actual airplanes. Our rudder pedals are also based off of that.
There's quite a few buttons they need to learn which ones not to press.
They get a lot of time in the Hellcat. That's where they learn to do their aerobatics to start out. They'll do loops, they'll do barrel rolls.
Getting them to understand the whole concept of flight in formation as a team. Actually, they pick it up pretty quickly.
It's a very robust program. We advance them up into the F-35 Bravo. We also train them to work together as an air traffic controller.
We've got the 2 groups. One of them are in our simulators here. The other is over in Joint Operations Center, and they're serving as air traffic control.
We're slowing down to 80.
Builds up their soft skills of communication and being able to get the aircraft to fly in the direction that they want to fly. The whole intent of the program is to provide a career-based background, because they learn about all different aviation jobs, from engineers to airport managers, all the way through pilots and co-pilots, baggage handlers. And the whole goal is to teach them teamwork, timing, and communication.
You are losing altitude, over.
Of course, you got to go to the flight deck on an aircraft carrier. If you don't go to the flight deck, it's like going to the movie and not seeing the movie. But interwoven through all this is the Medal of Honor, which is the highest award in the military for bravery.
Our program was graced to have our president of the Medal of Honor Society, Leroy Petry, to be able to come in and speak to all our kids. He explains a little bit about the Medal of Honor Society. For a lot of these kids, this is the first time that they've had the opportunity to work with computers in a flight environment.
The basics themselves, they're actually doing really good at.
They always seem to enjoy it. They always have a smile on their face when they're leaving.
And they actually end up having a lot of fun, from what they tell me anyway.